Good day. For today's video, we are going to discuss Quarter 2, PE and Health 8, Lesson 4, Week 5 and 6 of DEPED MATATAG curriculum. Let's begin. Subtopic 2, Volleyball. Developing and deepening understanding. Lesson activity. Activity, volleyball warm-up exercises. Follow these steps. Number 1, breathing exercises. Number 2, neck bending. Number 3, shoulder rotation. Number 4, arm circling. Number 5, hip bending. Number 6, half knee bend. Number 7, foot rotation. Number 8, inhale, exhale, cool down. Developing and deepening understanding. Lesson activity. Activity 2, volleyball. Instructions. Number 1, start the game. Number 2, take your positions. Number 3, serve the ball. Number 4, keep the ball in play. Number 5, scoring a point. Number 6, continue the rally. Answer the questions below. Making generalizations, learners' takeaways. Exit ticket, 3, 2, 1 activity. Instructions. Making generalizations, reflection on learning. Activity, self-assessment, how well did I play? Instructions. Evaluating learning, formative assessment. Letter A, identify the game. Instructions. Letter B, true or false. Instructions. Statements. That's all for today's video. Please stay tuned for more. God bless.
Volleyball player roles. Each team's side of the court is divided into an attack zone and defense zone. 3 players play in each of the zones. Front row or attack zone players' main goal is to block the opponent's team ball.